Moskito has always committed to the cleanliness and safety of our clients and collaborators. As leaders in the vacation rental industry in the Riviera Maya, we have always operated with high quality standards. The hospitality industry is based on caring for people. The safety of our guests and employees is our highest priority, and we will ensure that the properties we manage are clean and safe to welcome you again in the Riviera Maya. Now we have established new, high-standard procedures to make sure you and your family can enjoy your stay without worrying at your vacation home. Let's begin with the team access to our properties. When entering the buildings managed by Moskito, all staff will disinfect their hands. Moskito staff shoes will be disinfected before entering any of our vacation homes. When entering any property, no matter if it's occupied or unoccupied, the staff will first wash their hands. Also, all team members are using face masks and face shields, which are replaced and disinfected during the day. Our housekeeping team is using soap, water, and specific products to clean and disinfect every area of the properties. All the high contact areas are first washed with soap and water. Doorknobs, sink faucets, closets, switches, and lockboxes are properly washed and then disinfected. All dishes, glasses, cutlery, and kitchen appliances are being washed and disinfected after every checkout and before you check in. Our maintenance staff is following specific standards to disinfect all our tools and working areas. Air conditioning filters and equipment are carefully cleaned. Your vacation home will be perfectly ready, clean, and disinfected for you. As a Moskito guest, you will be able to enter your property without having any contact with our personnel. You'll have an access code and all the needed information available. In your vacation home, you'll find a new cloth and disinfect it in case you want and need to clean surfaces during your stay. Welcome home. Welcome to the Riviera Maya. Moskito Vacation Rentals will take care of you.